My name is Chris Berube and I'm a multi-skilled technician at the Sherman.
My name is Mandy Ivory Castile and my job title is Head of Production and Planning at the Sherman Theatre in Cardiff.
I'm Vanessa Williams and I'm the Sales and Insight Manager at Sherman Theatre.
I'm Claire Bottomley, I'm the Sherman 5 Coordinator.
My name is Rebecca and I'm the Marketing Officer here at Sherman Theatre.
I think that I chose the arts and foolishly chose to work in theatre, and then once I was in theatre I worked in stage management and I worked in technical, and I wanted to be in charge, so I chose to be a production manager because I quite like being bossy.
The main part of my role is box office manager, and that field chose me. My background is in arts marketing. I've worked in it for a number of years now.
I've lived in Cardiff for a long time. I've been to the Sherman in its many guises as it's evolved over the years. It's got a very strong reputation. It's exciting. I think the work that we do now in terms of supporting and nurturing new talent is really awe-inspiring. And actually I was a Sherman 5 volunteer whilst I was a student studying my arts course. So it's really good to sort of be the other side of the project now, having seen the impact that Sherman 5 makes to people.
But I chose to go into tech when I discovered tech because I love it and I love the everyday work.
I studied drama at university, and then my first job out of university was more of an admin role, which involved some parts of marketing. So I thought, oh, I quite like this, and thought maybe I could combine the marketing side of that job with the arts and the theatre, which I loved, and here we go.
Sherman has been in my life for a number of years. It's the first venue that I can remember coming to as a child when I was in school. My daughter came here to youth theatre when she was younger. So when the job came up and I knew about all the fantastic things they were doing, the things they were striving for, it wasn't an option not to apply for the job.
I was really excited about joining the Sherman. I saw the advertisement and I was excited about the things that had happened here, the awards that had been won, and the challenging new writing that they were doing here, and I wanted to be a part of it. And then that was just me knowing about it from afar, but then when I arrived I really loved the building, I really loved the people, I really loved the warmth of the Sherman, but also the warmth of the city and the arts community in Cardiff.
So when I was looking for a new job, I came across the job here at the Sherman, and what struck me about the Sherman was how it was trying to be at the top of its game, and I thought that looked like a really, really exciting place to work, and so thought I'd give it a try.
When I was 16, I first met Dr. Jane Goodall, and then invited her to my school, and she really inspired me as a woman and as someone who works, because she was in her early 20s, in the 30s I guess, and she went out to deepest, darkest Tanzania I think, and just studied apes and did what she wanted to do, even though everyone told her not to. So when people tell me not to do something, or tell me that it's a bit crazy, or tell me that it's a bit out there, or that I shouldn't be doing it, or I'm too young, or whatever, I think of her.
I'm going to cheat a little bit here and I'm going to talk about my girls, because there is nobody in the world that inspires me more than they do. They are incredible people, and everything I do because of them.
I've been very lucky to work with lots of inspiring women throughout my career, so I don't think I could pick one, especially here at the Sherman. There's so many strong, ambitious, supportive women here, which I'm very lucky to work with every day.